Actually, my uneven teeth, they have always been major concern for me. Whenever I smile, I often cover my face while smiling like this. Uneven teeth are, you can say it's cause of, it gives me lack of self-confidence sometimes. And unfortunately or fortunately, you can say my job requires me to travel frequently abroad. So it's nearly impossible for me to visit doctors for sessions multiple times. I just want to have some such kind of treatment that fixes my teeth or enhances my smile. Aren't multiple sessions required, so I came here if you could recommend me any such kind of a treatment.
We are providing one-day smile makeover solution to patients. After accurately scanning the patient's data in the mouth by Lilivis scan, multiple prostheses can be processed simultaneously and precisely using multiple Lilivis nails same day with only one single PC. It makes us provide patients same-day solutions from preparations, digital impression taking, prosthesis production, and the treatment at same day.
The Oaks Dental Clinic has had an in-house digital prosthesis system for a long time, and we have a lot of treatment experiences helping the same concerns as yours. In particular, we recently adopted Lilivis digital workflow, which allows us to complete aesthetic prosthetics such as veneer more precisely and more quickly. We guarantee that we can give you a beautiful smile in a few hours. Are you willing to try it with us?